Hi, and as always, welcome back. Or if this is your first time here, welcome to the Q&A channel. I'm your host, Professor Quanda. In today's episode, I'm going to explain an interesting topic of what is synthetic biology, its current and future uses. So, sit back and enjoy the video, and remember to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Let's get started. What if we could program living cells the same way we program computers? Imagine bacteria that produce medicine, plants that glow in the dark, or microorganisms that consume plastic waste and turn it into useful materials. This isn't science fiction. It's called synthetic biology, and it may become one of the most transformative technologies of the 21st century. Today, we're exploring how scientists are learning to redesign life itself. At its core, synthetic biology combines biology, engineering, genetics, and computer science. Instead of simply studying living organisms, scientists are now designing and building new biological systems with specific purposes. Think of traditional biology as reading nature's instruction manual. Synthetic biology is about writing new instructions. The key lies in its DNA, the genetic code that tells every living cell how to function. DNA is essentially a biological programming language made up of 4 chemical letters: A, T, C, and G. By rearranging these letters, scientists can create entirely new genetic instructions. Just as software engineers write code for computers, synthetic biologists write code for living organisms. To understand synthetic biology, imagine a cell as a tiny biological factory. Inside that factory are molecular machines that read DNA instructions and carry out specific tasks. Scientists can now edit those instructions with incredible precision. Using advanced tools such as gene editing and DNA synthesis, researchers can add, remove, or modify genetic sequences. The result? Microorganisms can be programmed to manufacture medicines, produce biofuels, detect toxins, or even create new materials. In many ways, biology is becoming an engineering discipline. The most exciting part of synthetic biology is that it's already changing the world. One of the earliest successes involved producing insulin. Historically, insulin was extracted from animal organs. Today, genetically engineered bacteria produce large quantities of human insulin safely and efficiently for millions of diabetics worldwide. Synthetic biology is also revolutionizing vaccine development. During global disease outbreaks, scientists can rapidly design biological solutions that once took years to develop. Agriculture is another major frontier. Researchers are engineering crops that require less water, resist disease, and thrive in difficult environments. As climate challenges grow, these innovations could help feed a larger global population using fewer resources. Then, there's environmental protection. Scientists are developing microbes capable of breaking down pollutants, absorbing carbon dioxide, and even helping clean contaminated water. Imagine biological cleanup crews working continuously to restore damaged ecosystems. Looking ahead, the possibilities become even more remarkable. Researchers are exploring ways to create living materials that repair themselves when damaged. Future buildings could contain biological components that heal cracks automatically. Scientists are also investigating lab-grown organs for transplantation. Instead of waiting months or years for a donor organ, patients might someday receive custom-grown organs made from the patient's own cells. Another exciting area is sustainable manufacturing. Microorganisms could replace traditional factories for producing chemicals, plastics, fuels, and textiles. Instead of relying on petroleum, future products may be grown biologically. Some researchers are even working toward programmable cells that can detect disease inside the body and deliver treatment precisely where it's needed. Medicine could become dramatically more personalized. But with great power comes important questions. Whenever humans gain the ability to redesign life, ethical and safety concerns naturally follow. How do we ensure engineered organisms remain safe outside the laboratory? What regulations should govern synthetic biology research? Scientists, governments, and international organizations are actively developing safeguards to minimize these risks. Responsible innovation will be essential as the technology advances. Synthetic biology represents a fundamental shift in humanity's relationship with nature. For thousands of years, we adapted to the world, Now, we're learning how to engineer biology itself. The ability to program living systems may eventually become as important as the invention of computers. We're entering an era where biology is becoming technology. So, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the explanation to the question, what is synthetic biology? Before you move on, hit those like and subscribe buttons. It really helps out the channel. This is Professor Quanda saying thanks for watching and bye for now. See you in the next Q&A channel video.